Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT email login not working. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, if your account is originally created via these steps right here, like continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with phone, and this option, well, you just got to use this feature right here. Continue with Google, log in with one of your Google accounts, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Because when you go ahead and type down your email right here and the password, well, initially you don't have a password when you continue with Google logins right here. You'll have to create a new password. So if you haven't set up a password, continue with one of these options right here. So if you remember a password, use this one right here. For example, this one, continue. Then the next page is going to ask you a password or code. If not, an email sent to this email right here. Well, you can just go ahead and open up the emailing service, such as Gmail. So let me just go ahead and grab the code right here. All right. You should receive this exact email. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it, paste it right here, hit on continue. Or if you don't have access or you didn't receive the code from your email, well, you can just go ahead and continue with the password. All right. So hit on continue. Once that's done, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT email login not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.